What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you're having an amazing day, and today's video we're going to be taking a look at Samsung Internet One UI 8 overhaul. Now for sure I don't know whether this is a One UI 8 overhaul, but if it's embedded right into the official version which you can just directly update through your Galaxy store, I don't think this is a One UI 8 overhaul. This is just a normal app update. So going into the settings, if you update through Play Store, it won't be updated to the latest one which you will need for this thing. So version 28, 0.0.55, 57 is also out for specific devices, but even this will work. You just need the version 28 of Samsung Internet, and in order to enable the new UI, you have to just go to navigation and type in internet colon /2 times debug, hit enter, and once you have this page, you have to just go to settings, scroll down to debug settings, then main view, enable new guided user interface. After doing that, just close the app, reopen it, and once you reopen the app, you will have this dialog box which will say try Samsung Internet new style. We have updated the homepage, tab sorter and menus to make them fun, fresh, easier to use. If you're not a fan, you can always switch back to the old style, which you can obviously do in the labs. So hit done, just close this, new tab, and right away you can see you have a brand new wallpaper and you will see blur everywhere. So if you haven't seen the One UI 8 leaks, you have blur like almost in every dialog box, from setting wallpaper to gallery, and just like that you have the brand new blur engine working right over here. So your normal toggles are still there. Functionality wise, it's still the same. There is pretty much nothing new. So if you just go to customize them, now it's separated in two tabs for the menu and the toolbar, but you can directly add anything anywhere. It's not restricted. So you can just directly drag something from the menu right there or something from the toolbar. No restrictions at all. Hit done. You have the settings now right over here with your Samsung account and a default wallpaper. Privacy, security are still the same. There is nothing new. Here is how your most viewed pages look like. Lot of blur right over there. So hitting the settings, if you scroll down, go to homepage, quick access. If you are on the newsfeed one, you will still get the older version. As you can see, it just completely switches back. There is no new blur or anything or the wallpaper. So Samsung Internet is still not completely ready for this, but that is the default UI that you get. Most visited one works, none works. Again, you have few of the wallpapers added. Nothing really special, but they look kind of nice. Let's just add this one, landscapes. Quite good, to be honest. Would love to have them as default. As you can see, looks quite nice. And now let's just compare it with the older version. So let me just bring my Galaxy S9 Plus, which is running One UI 7 from Galaxy S25. If you want a video on this, please let me know in the comment section below. And this is how the older one looks compared to the newer one. If you just check the menus, yeah, pretty good UI update, looks quite nice. And if you just want to change it back, just go to settings, scroll down, useful features, labs, and just switch this off. Coming back, you will have your old design back. And now if you want to try this on any kind of Android phone you have to just download the Samsung Internet app from the description, because the Play Store version, again as I said, it's not the latest one, and you will have all the features from the newer one. You won't have the blur UX redesign because it's embedded into the One UI, but functionality wise and the features, the UI will be completely same to the One UI 7 or 8. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it. See you guys in the next one.